Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Pawar and I had a really good learning experience from the STAD Solutions. The training here is very practical and easy to understand for someone who is new in the automation testing field as well. The trainers explain each and every concept with the real example. Also, they make sure understand the topics before moving ahead. The environment is very good, and I always felt comfortable while asking the answer because we get one-to-one support as well for during the practice session, and they really helped me to gain confidence in both manual as well as in the automation testing field. Like I also like the way institute focus on building the basic concept before moving ahead for the advanced topic. And I am grateful and thanks to the STAT solution for making a very good role in my life, for giving me confidence to prepare the framework, to make the framework for the automation testing and perform well in the automation testing field. Thank you, STAT. Thank you.